Hair thinning and hair loss are quite common issues today. For many people, hair is an important element that completes their overall appearance. For this reason, the gradual thinning or weakening of hair becomes something most people want to address. There are many different factors that can contribute to hair thinning. Stress, hormonal changes, nutritional deficiencies, and daily hair care habits can all affect this process. Therefore, hair thinning is usually not caused by a single factor, and there may not be one universal solution that works for everyone. However, some simple and natural methods, when applied consistently, can help support healthier and fuller-looking hair. In this video, we will take a look at 4 natural methods that can be applied at home. Hair is largely made up of protein. For this reason, a protein-balanced care routine is important for the overall appearance of the hair. Eggs are one of the natural ingredients frequently used in hair care. To apply, beat 1 or 2 eggs thoroughly, depending on your hair length. Apply the mixture to damp hair and leave it on for about 20 to 30 minutes. Then wash your hair with lukewarm water and shampoo. This treatment can be done once or twice a week. Alternatively, you can mix 1 egg yolk with some hair oil and a little water and apply it to the scalp with a massaging motion. Such applications can help the hair look stronger and more well-groomed. Olive oil is one of the methods that has long been used in natural hair care. Thanks to the fatty acids it contains, it can help hair appear softer and shinier. You can slightly warm a small amount of olive oil and gently massage it into your scalp and hair. After leaving it on for about 30 to 45 minutes, you can wash your hair. If desired, it can be left on overnight and washed in the morning. Additionally, olive oil can be mixed with honey and used as a hair mask. Regular use can help support a more vibrant and healthy appearance of the hair. Avocado is known for its healthy fats and vitamin E content. Thanks to these properties, it can be used as a moisturizer in hair care. You can mash a ripe avocado and use it on its own, or mix it with banana and a small amount of oil. Apply the prepared mixture to your scalp and hair and leave it on for about 20 to 30 minutes. Then rinse and wash your hair. Such masks can help the hair appear softer, more moisturized, and fuller. Castor oil is one of the oils frequently preferred in hair care due to its thick consistency. Thanks to the fatty acids it contains, it can contribute to moisturizing the hair. It is usually mixed with lighter oils, such as coconut oil, to make it easier to apply. You can apply the mixture to your scalp and massage it in circular motions. Then you can comb your hair to distribute the oil evenly. If desired, you can wrap your hair with a warm towel and leave it for a while. After about an hour, you can wash your hair. Regular use can help the hair appear shinier and healthier. These natural methods can support your hair care routine when applied regularly. However, since everyone's hair structure is different, results may vary from person to person. If your hair loss is severe, sudden, or has been ongoing for a long time, consulting a specialist would be the most appropriate approach. Small but consistent care habits can contribute to your hair looking healthier over time.